Hey guys, so this is an exciting video for me because it's something that I imagined making videos of, but I never thought I would actually make a video of it. I finally got a job at Sephora. I've been wanting to work at Sephora forever, and I finally got my first Gratis, so I wanted to do a Gratis unbagging, because it's like it comes in a bag. They give it to you in a bag. Like, I used to watch people doing it, and then I would imagine myself making a video on it, but it was just so hard to get hired at Sephora. Like, I applied to every single Sephora. So yeah, I'm about to do a Gratis unbagging. It comes in a bag like this. It's pretty big. There was like a receipt, but I lost it. Hopefully I'll be able to ask for a copy. But yeah, they have a copy, so it's okay. I need to keep my receipt though, but I lost mine. It's just like me. So I'm just gonna go through this one by one. I already went through this. I did open some things I didn't open. I got the Bad Gal Bang. It was so extra. Like, the packaging was so cute. I opened it. Something was like telling me not to open it if I was gonna do this video, but I just couldn't wait. I was just so curious as to what was inside here. I kind of had a feeling it was this. But yeah, it was like folded or something. And then you pull this little thing, and then it's in here. It was folded in here. And there's a whole bunch of little like glitter stars in there. And it was like so cute. I might do a first impressions on like most of the items, because not everything in here is skin. But I will try to do a first impressions for what I can do first impressions for. You know what I mean? Okay. So the next item is the Dr. Murad AHA/BHA exfoliating cleanser. So I'm just gonna explain to you guys a little bit of what this does. So it's an exfoliant. It's an intensive triple action exfoliator with a proprietary blend of salicylic acid, lactic, and glycolic acids. It polishes away dull dry skin without irritation, reveals smoother texture and a brighter, younger looking complexion. So I tried it out last night. I only used it for like 20 seconds, but I'm gonna use I'm gonna do a more thorough wash with this tonight, and I'll let you know. But even with me washing my face with this for like 20-30 seconds, I really did see a difference. Next item is a brush. This is a Sephora 204 brush. I haven't opened this one, so I'm just gonna like unpackage it right here. It's like, I hate this plastic thing because it has this like little plastic wrap. It's so annoying because it has the perforation, but when you tug on it, it just doesn't help anything. I need a bag where I can like throw all my garbage out. Ooh, it feels pretty soft. I could use this for like an under eye highlight. It would be good for like contour. Yeah, this would be good for contour. I could see myself contouring with this. Cool, okay. I like you. This is the Multitasker Face and Concealer. So yes, you can use this for contour, you can use this for foundation, you can use this for highlights. It's a pretty universal brush. Let me take it out the packaging for you guys. So the bristles are really soft. It's compact enough to blend out your foundation, and it's kind of at an angle, like really slightly. Next, I got this little Belief travel size skincare kit. It has a creamy cleansing foam moist. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. A bergamot herbal extract toner, a Hungarian water essence, a Belief moisturizing and firming eye cream, and also the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Next is the Urban Decay All-Nighter. This is a little travel size one. I already know how this works. I'm not the biggest fan of like Urban Decay All-Nighter. Next, I got a little rollerball perfume, which I love because one of the best compliments I can ever get is you smell good. Like, that to me is just as good as your eyelashes look really nice. So I love that they gave me a lot of these little roller balls. This smells really good. It's because I could just throw them in my bag and be on my way. And if I forget, I just roll some on. Or if I'm in a rush, roll some on. Next, I got this IGK No More Blow. This is a high-speed air dry spray. So basically, you spray it on your hair, and it's supposed to help the process of your air drying speed up. I don't know what the fuck is in this that makes your hair dry faster, but I'm kind of scared to put it in my hair. Like, what? Why? I can't even pronounce some of the ingredients that are in here, but I will try it and we'll see. Next, I got, this is something else I was looking at in the store. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer. This is in the shade Rosewood. Next, I have this Bare Minerals Gen Nude in the shade Darling. It's pretty. Ooh, pretty. I would say pigments. Let's talk about it. This is something else that I wanted to get, that I wanted to purchase. This is the NARS Orgasm Illuminating Loose Powder. It's so beautiful. Like, orgasm beautiful. Okay, that was kind of a mess. But it's okay, because it was a beautiful mess. It gives you just the most beautiful sheen. Next is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. It smells like everything. Like, I don't want to stop smelling it. So we have the Bare Minerals Deluxe Mineral Veil. I saw it a while ago and literally wanted it just for the packaging. I'm not too crazy about the way it feels. I feel like it doesn't feel silky enough for me. Yeah, no. Next, I have the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I haven't tried this, but I will make a video using this. I got some other little tester. It has no name on it, so I don't know where it's from, but it smells good. This is from Nest, and this is the Cocoa Woods Rollerball. Oh, I like you too. Next, I got this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I love the packaging. And I also got this Diva Curl Melt Into Moisture. It is a matcha butter conditioning mask. A Sephora collection lipstick. This is in the shade 9 Lady City. This is a matte. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Hold on. Let me swatch it for you guys. Like, do you? So I also got the Too Faced Primed and Peachy from their Peaches and Cream collection. This is a cool mattifying skin perfecting primer infused with peach and sweet fig cream. I also got the travel size Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, which is good because I've really been wanting to try it because I've heard so many good things about it. So I wanted to try it and get a feel for it. Next, I got the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. I was playing with this in the store. Ooh. This is the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Lining Pen, eyelining pen. So this is, I got the Bad Gal Bang. Wait, hold on. So wait, what the fuck? Where is this? So I got the Benefit. So okay, hold on. Get it together. This video. Ooh. I need some lip gloss. My background is disgusting, but I'm gonna get that worked on. Just bear with me, guys. I hate my background. But soon it'll be up to standards. And for anyone who's wondering, this is the MAC Cream Sheen Lip Glass in the shade Romantic Overturn. And I'm just gonna pile it on so my lips can look super glossy. There's no such thing as too much lip gloss. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be so fucking annoying to edit. Like, I'm so annoying to talk. Like, why? How do people listen to me talk? The way I explain things. Like, I'm just so bad at explaining shit. Like, what the fuck is wrong with me? Right after cleansing, oh, I'm hungry.